What's happening? Oh! That's terrifying.
Oh, we almost got chopped up.
What's up, guys? My name is Gabe Cruz. This is Nigel Jones and Fetty Potter. We're out here in beautiful Sacramento, California.
Wow, that was great.
That was so good.
Thank you.
We're in old Sacramento, so we were like, we're gonna play a game of everything couch skate here, but then we learned that the whole thing is made out of wood, so.
I told you guys.
It's okay.
They didn't listen to me. They were like, nah, it's skatable.
It's kind of like time traveling, though.
It's
Should we go
all
over there?
wood and cobblestone.
It was
Oh.
nice to walk around for the 2 minutes, but we're gonna go over that way.
We got to journey that way.
That way to go that way.
To go that way.
We should at least
to go
show
that
them
way.
what. I saw a sign for time travelers. There was a sign.
Time
that said
travelers come this way.
Oh.
Yes.
I always pick rock, he says.
I'm undefeated in rock, paper, scissors.
Not true, but okay.
All time.
All right. Oh, I swear, if I hit my mouth on that, I'm dead.
What do you got, Uzi? Is that your trick? You gotta wait for me to film it.
Sorry. What's happening?
Whatever you want to happen.
Alright, ollie up to 3. Dang it!
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna kickflip this.
Instant.
Instant?
Instant out. Alright, that's my only one.
Manual this curve like a round.
Hey, that was a straight. What are you doing?
Oh no! I think I could do it.
Brother, what are you doing?
I'm going in, brother. That's what we're doing.
What does that mean?
It's so doable.
That's terrifying.
Hold on, no, one more. I'm packing it. Okay, we can move on.
Alright, it's your turn.
No slide the second bar. Ah! Alright.
I feel like we gotta go back that way.
Kickflip.
Oh no.
Oh!
Ah, I thought I was gonna hit my head!
This is so innocent seeming, but it might be deadly.
What you doing?
I'm gonna power ollie into the street.
How dare you? How dare you challenge the son of a shepherd?
Why are both of you guys so good at that?
Wait, when do we get to Washington?
Wow, the White House. How about that? I never thought I'd see it.
All right, I'm gonna tray flip off this kicker.
Oh, look at this little baby ledge.
Baby ledge.
Let's
Babe.
have the baby legs.
Okay. Let me do the baby ledge. That is one sticky baby ledge.
I'm just gonna wall ride it. Frontside or backside? That's the question.
Whoa. Oh, yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Yep.
I mean, you missed the whole wall.
Yeah, I did.
Give us a redo. Oh,
That's hard.
that was full contact.
Alright, let's go that way.
I'm gonna ollie into this one, this way.
Oh!
You just lift your feet up, you don't even catch it?
I was on my other board. Let's go that way.
Defense.
Here's what I'm gonna try to do. Wait a minute. 50-50 that. Ah. Can I land that, Dan, just for fun?
Try it. Alright, Fetty's done.
Nigel.
I'm gonna go back that way.
Nah,
It's way higher.
Oh yeah. I'll take a letter, whatever.
Kickflip back tail then.
what? Crazy.
Oh!
Why would he do that?
He's sending it.
No.
Oh!
Dang it!
Alright, you ready for this, Dan? Mini back tail on one of these.
Game over.
Somebody else's turn. Tried to wall right off tree, didn't work.
What is this building?
I don't know.
Very nice. I assume it's a federal building from the flags that are in front.
I know what you're thinking.
I'm gonna ride through this and only up that. I don't know, Chief. I don't know. Hey.
That thing's thick.
I need to put it there.
That's a high wally.
It's heavy.
It's thick with 2 C's.
3.
3 C's. Hey, what's that right there?
Oh. Oh.
All right,
what is this?
ollie up, under the first bar, under the second bar, off.
What you mean? What? What?
Oh, he's still on. He's still on. He's still on. It's good.
Oh yeah, get down!
Get
down, brother!
You gotta get it. Both feet have to be on. Oh no!
I'm gonna kickflip this.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna wally, land like this.
And then what?
Then get off.
What's your exit plan? You have a strategy?
Not really, I'm just
He doesn't have one.
Just gonna wing it?
I almost died.
Ollie and land, do the opposite of what he's doing.
Okay.
Oh!
Dang.
Yo, I watched it fully flex and just...
It's so good. I landed it.
I'm scared now. I'm taking the letter.
You're taking a letter?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and wally over it.
Oh!
Front 180, tail, power bomb, out. Move it out. Ah! No!
Back 180, if I can. Oh god! It's a hard ramp to go up.
I thought it was a lot more solid.
Whatever shall we do? Alright, I got one.
No, you just broke it.
It completely disintegrated. Oh, we almost got chopped up. Wow! Oh god, these rocks are deadly.
Ollie on 180 off.
Oh!
Okay.
Wasn't pretty.
Nose man.
It's air conditioned right here.
Oh, it's nice.
Oh my god, it's the scariest thing ever. Alright.
One try. Alright, at least I got something good.
Alright, it's just be you two. What happened?
I messed up Doctor Strange.
Uh-oh. Hi.
Hi.
There's a
Yeah.
ledge right there, perfect.
Oh yeah, there's a ledge.
Right there.
And it'd be waxed.
I think it's back.
Alright, we found the ending spot.
After this, I'm getting a blue Gatorade. Blue. Doesn't matter, there's like 3 shades of blue that are good, but I'm getting a blue.
I'm gonna try a nose grind.
Hit it, bro. Skip it. That's not gonna slide. It's not gonna slide, bro.
Lickety splash. Splam.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know yet.
He hasn't decided. Oh!
That was very cool.
That was very nice.
It was.
We pretty much all won
I
and all
almost broke
lost.
my ankle.
It was a fun day in Sacramento. Probably actually forgot all our letters, to be honest. Well, video's over here.
What's over here?
To the left. My left, your right.
Is there anything this way?
There's nothing. You're this way.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe.
Where should we go next time?
Yeah. Where do
Let
you
us know.
live?
We'll come to your house.
We'll come to your hometown.